Welcome to Good Father House Design, a place where every home tells a story, and every corner invites you to feel something deeper than just design. Today, we explore a home inspired by the warmth of Mediterranean living, where sunlight, nature, and architecture blend into a peaceful escape. From the front view, this house feels like a hidden retreat near the coast. Stone walls, rustic textures, and blooming flowers frame the exterior beautifully. The pathway gently guides you through vibrant gardens, while the calm blue tones of the sky and water in the distance create a serene first impression that feels both welcoming and unforgettable. As we step inside the living room, the atmosphere instantly softens. Large windows open wide to breathtaking outdoor views, letting natural light pour into every corner. The space feels airy, calm, and connected to nature, with cozy seating and warm materials creating a perfect place to slow down and simply enjoy the moment. Moving into the bedroom, the mood becomes even more peaceful. Soft fabrics, warm lighting, and expansive views of greenery or the ocean create a space designed for true rest. Waking up here feels refreshing as sunlight gently enters the room, bringing a sense of calm and quiet luxury. The kitchen welcomes us with a blend of charm and function. Wooden cabinetry, open views, and natural textures make the space feel alive and inviting. Whether preparing a simple meal or cooking for loved ones, this kitchen feels like the heart of daily life, filled with warmth and effortless beauty. Next is the dining area, where every meal becomes an experience. Surrounded by large windows and scenic views, the space feels open and refreshing. The combination of natural light, elegant furniture, and outdoor scenery creates a dining atmosphere that feels both intimate and inspiring. In the bathroom, simplicity meets relaxation. Clean lines, soft tones, and natural light create a refreshing environment that feels like a private spa. Every detail is designed to bring comfort, making it a perfect place to unwind and recharge. The laundry room continues the theme of thoughtful design. Bright, organized, and practical, this space turns everyday tasks into something effortless. Even here, the connection to natural light and clean aesthetics remains consistent. Finally, we step into the backyard, the true soul of this home. Lush gardens, colorful flowers, and scenic views create a peaceful outdoor sanctuary. Whether it's a quiet morning with coffee or a relaxing evening surrounded by nature, this space captures the essence of Mediterranean living: calm, beautiful, and deeply connected to the outdoors. Thank you for joining us on Good Father House Design. If this home inspires you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and be part of our journey exploring beautiful living spaces from around the world. See you in the next story, the next home, the next inspiration.